welcome to TOYSREVIL. This is the badge, and today we will do an unboxing of the latest series, Just a Girl series from Aragon and Pop Mart, NORI's Lookbook. Yeah, very nice. I mean, this was I was anticipating this series for quite some time. I went to the local Pop Mart for a couple of weeks, man, to wait for it to come out. So I have still images in my blog post eventually to see what this is all about. And what I'm going to do today is open up two boxes. Save one for Instagram later, Instagram Live, but right now, two boxes. I mean, I wish I could get the entire case, but then I also found out an entire case was 9 pieces. 9 pieces in one box, and there is 12 figures to collect. So logically, I would probably need 2 boxes at the very least to hope to complete my set. So in the end, I only got what I could afford. Was 4 boxes, 2 unboxing on YouTube, 1 on time lapse, and another one on Instagram. But nevertheless, let's have a look at the first box. I mean, let's do a turnaround of the box. It is a basic blind box versus the Good Morning Nori? Good Morning Lori? Can't remember where it was. Just a Girl Nori, where it was like a VHS style box, longish box, thin, with a plastic tray. But now they've gone back to the regular blind box styled figure series. Let's rip into this. Back to the reclosable box. Wonderful work, Pop Mart. There's a card inside I won't look at because it'll just give away what the figure is. So let's just focus on the bag itself. Okay, very cool. Open. Okay, let's do it a bit closer, not rushing it through. Oh, I see the feet. Should be the other way around. Not sure should be. I mean, I didn't open the other way around. So maybe we'll do a review like this. Yeah, somehow on YouTube it's not like, I don't feel as rushed as I am on Instagram Live. Oh, okay, I know why it is already. I mean, I recognize it. Ta-da! There it is. There it is. Do a turn around of the figure. I mean, I don't know the name yet. We'll look at the card inside the box to figure out who she is. Nice. Initially I was thinking when the first series, when the images for this come out, I was wondering whether or not the legs are removable and the head is removable, just like the Just a Girl series, where the interchangeable heads and feet, so I can change different bodies with different hairstyles, but nice. Fixed on, man. Yeah, solid fixed on. I would assume PVC because it's solid piece, but the neck's a bit loose though. I mean, not say loose or bendy. So yeah, maybe I don't pry too hard in case I break her. Oh, don't stand properly. Let's look at the card. Nice. So there is a story card and the figure card. Peppermint Candy. Yeah, I see her now. Peppermint Candy. Let me try to focus in. Well, she is Peppermint Candy. Youth Lookbook. This is the story, illustrated by Aragon. I can start with this first. This page. Nice. Nice. I think they're doing group dancing. Should be. NORI Youth Lookbook. Nice. I appreciate the card format. Previously it was like a fold out comic book leaflet, manga-ish style. I'm sure this clicks open to somewhere on a QR code that I won't try right now. So, peppermint candy. Adorable lah. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to do the focus and brightness. So I'll leave peppermint candy. Can't really stand properly. Okay, that bugs me quite a bit. Okay, the tag at the bottom of the shoes. Can it stand? Not that steady. Can stand by itself. By herself anyway. It's properly weighted PVC. I don't know if it's PVC or not, but soft to the touch. I love the matte quality of the paint application. You see a little bit of the pink on the knees. So it's not like just one piece. So this is pretty solid application. Is this a scrunchie? Nice lah. What I like from here, this image is this figure. It's all matte. It's a mixture of matte hair, matte body, matte face, a little bit of sheen for the healthy glow, and glossy shoes. So there is differentiation in terms of the figure itself. You have matte and gloss, but I think that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I put her here. I hope that she stands much longer. Let me put this aside. Opening another box. Take this box there. Leave this for later. So I'll be opening the second box for NORI Youth Lookbook. Just take out the bag and not look at the card inside until later. Okay, now I've got a feel for the head. Okay, the head is here. Head is here, the feet is here. So we can do a head review. If that makes any sense. Why is it tricky, man? It's the other way around. I mean the tear seam is at the bottom. So am I supposed to like review the leg? Let's review the leg. I think it's hilarious. Hilarious, yeah. I might as well pull things apart. Ta-da! Let's see the leg first. Ta-da! Oh, nice! Oh! Yeah, review partially already. Yeah, I have no idea why I'm choosing, so let's just take the whole thing up. Ooh, ta-da! Cute! I think this is a Thai uniform. Might be, let me check later on the card. I think this is a Thai uniform. Oh, nice! NORI lookbook with a pair of glasses, so I can't really see that properly with my iPhone, which I'm filming this off of. Sorry, everything's falling apart. Nice, I love the glasses. Big thick glasses. Let's have a look at the figure. Nice, black glossy hair, healthy hair. As you also can see from here, this figure is fully glossed except for the skin tone, but the uniform is glossed, skirt is glossy, shoes are glossy, and the hair is glossy. So I compared this to the previous figure, which I just pulled early on in this video. I don't know if you can see the difference between the matte and glossy. That is an interesting application for the figures. And I opened this earlier on a time-lapse video. This also is matte all the way. Matte hat, matte top, skirt, except for the glossy shoes. So these are my 3 lady pools on NORI Youth Lookbook. There's another box I'll open up later on, and I will post pictures of them. So yes, very cool. I'm happy I'm not pulling doubles, touch wood. But these are my 3 girls from NORI's Youth Lookbook. Let's see if I can make them all stand properly like. I mean, my board here is not 100% flat now, so I can understand if they don't stand properly. But so far, it works. It works. They are happy. I am happy. This is NORI. Before I forget, let's have a look at who is she called. Ta-da! She is shaved ice. I'm trying to read. Taro shaved ice. Shaved ice. Can't figure out. Taro shaved ice. Maybe he's a Japanese student. Not really sure now. Let's have a look at the comic. Maybe it shows something. Shows she's eating shaved ice. Ice kacang in Singapore context. Wow. She loves it. Hi, okay. Music video. Oh, they're gonna dance for music video. I don't know, man. On the card, so this is pretty darn cool. Nice. Put this aside. I'll take the opportunity to look at this card. Oh, this peppermint, sorry. For this lady here, which in my previous time-lapse video, I didn't have a chance to see who she was. So she's like the cheerleader. Nice. Cheering them on. They're having a group dance. This is cool. They're cheerleading. The boys playing a game. So she is Sweet Enchantment. Drama Xiang. So she is Sweet Enchantment. Cool. Put this aside. I mean, I appreciate like a bunch of cards. I mean, if I ever were to collect the entire series, the cards, I'll put them in a sleeve like I would my photo cards for my K-pop albums. Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes sense. There's more things to look at, and it's comics too. But it's tricky because it's like two-sided comics. So, have to work that out somehow. But yeah, that's it. That is my unboxing of NORI Youth Lookbook. And these are the three ladies. Or rather, I've opened up these two ladies on video. This lady was on a time-lapse video. And I'll open up this box sometime soon. Thank you for watching. I'll say goodbye now. And I'll leave it blank to put other videos to watch. Thank you for watching.